5 situations that a direct sale makes more sense for you. Let's get into it. You're buying another house and it's gonna go away soon. You're gonna lose the deal. Yes, I've had sellers sell me their house just due to time. Because you can't sell your house in time, or you don't have a buyer lined up, and you're just like, Mama's not gonna let me lose that house. If not, I might lose her. True story. Next, you inherited a property. A lot of times you inherit properties and there's multiple heirs, and you can't really organize all the heirs to do one cohesive thing. You know, you got to give us $5,000, you got to give us $5,000, you guys give $5,000, so we can invest the $25,000 that we need to put into this house to fix it so that we can sell it. And to organize all that together in one cohesive thing is like herding cats. So inherited property is a big reason why people sell to us. You're struggling to pay your bills. If you can't make the mortgage payment on a house, a lot of times it's better just to rip off the Band-Aid and be done with it and move on with your life, rather than just being stressed out, depressed, worried, working extra hours just to pay for a house where you could easily sell it and move into a rental and problem solve. No stress. You don't have to worry about repairs on the property, all that stuff. And that's a good segue into the next one. Your house is in need of major repairs. If you can't afford to fix the house that you're living in and pay the mortgage together, you probably need to sell that house. Now, you don't necessarily have to sell it to me, but if you need to sell it and it needs major repairs, you might not be able to invest that money in that property to pay for all those major repairs to get the maximum amount that you can. And it might make sense to do a direct sale to an investor type. You're facing foreclosure. If you're facing foreclosure and you need to sell it quickly, you know, we deal with that every month. Every month. It might be the only time you're going to deal with it in your life, hopefully, but we deal with it every month. And if you can't afford that mortgage payment, I know it's hard. I see it every time. It's hard to get rid of this house that you've invested so much time and money into. It's very much like going to the dentist and the dentist telling you that you got to get that tooth pulled, that you can't keep it anymore. There's no saving it. You got to get rid of that tooth. And sometimes I feel like a dentist and I'm, looking in your mouth and it's uncomfortable. But the solution is take that tooth out before it infects all the rest of your teeth, before it destroys your credit, destroys your life. Just get rid of it and move on. That's it for today, guys. If you like this information, like and subscribe. And if you know somebody that might need to sell their house due to these reasons, share the video. And if they sell us their house, make sure they tell us your name so that we can give you a $500 referral. Or if you want more content like this, you can go through the videos or check out our website. The link is in the description below. Or you can call us today and we'll go out, check out your property, make you a cash offer right there on the spot. Quick and easy, no pressure, no gimmicks. And we'll see you there, guys. Thank you guys so much. God bless.